Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to the Dollar Tree to check out all of the new arrivals that continue to be so impressive. Now I love sharing all the new finds with you all so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. Now as you can see, I am panning across my craft section because I found new craft goodies. We're going to start off with these ceramic tiles. This is a brand new arrival. They have a 2-pack of square ceramic tiles, you guys. I was so impressed to see these. They also have them in a 2-pack in a circle. So go ahead and grab these if you see them. Great crafting possibilities. If you are a crocheter, they had you covered there with new crochet hooks. They had them in the green that has a 4.5mm size. If you needed different sizes, they have a blue one. This one is a 5.0mm size. And then the last one, which is a purple color, they have them in a 5.5mm size. Great for crocheters. Now they did not leave the knitters out. They did have knitting needles as well. Now they had two at my Dollar Tree in a 4.5 and a 5.5mm size. Now next to those crochet and knitting needles, they have these new stickers. These are peel and stick stickers that look like gems. So I saw this silver ombre version. They also had an ombre that had silver, but it faded into like a beautiful rich red color. And if you like silver and gold, they had that combination too in another sticker palette, both new arrivals at my store. If you love working with polymer clay, they have these new polymer clay kits in like a natural set with 5 colors. If you prefer rainbows, they had a rainbow collection of the clay, and then they had some colors of blue and neutrals as well. They have new watercolor type of paints. I was so impressed to see these because the last watercolors they had were not that great, but these really look like the pigment would be very opaque. Now check out these. I love fabric, you guys know that. And now they have these minky cut fabrics. These are soft plush fabrics in a nice neutral pastel color. If you are into making baby goodies like booties, bibs, and things that are oh so soft like blankets, I think that these would be great to use for that. Patchwork quilts and all kinds of things. And look at all the cute little bunnies and deer. So really cute for that kind of color palette or even make as gifts. They also have these dowels. Now I remember seeing the large 2-packs, but now they have the 12-inch 4-packs. These come in so handy when doing all kinds of crafts, especially when adding legs and things to your wood crafts. They're repackaging all of the little cut gemstones and shells, and these are like a crushed type of shell. So many options for this. I did pick up some of these. I think that these are really gorgeous, and I love the new foil packaging. Now, if you rather have the whole shells, they did have a package of those as well, and I like that they put an assortment, and it looks like it's been thoughtfully packaged to make sure they include an assortment, not just kind of thrown in there, so I really appreciate that. If you like these types of stones here, I love these stones. If you're into nautical, I think that these would be so pretty with the sea glass kind of look. They have those as well. And you know, the packaging prevents them from being scratched up like the little mesh bags. They did have other varieties of the seashells as well. If you prefer more of a color, they did have some in variated colors, and you can mix and match them with all of the other shell collections. Now this one is really packed to the brim with all kinds of little shells in there. They did throw in a couple of larger shells, but most of them are the smaller ones, great for smaller crafts or vase fillers. If you love to cross stitch, they did have these. Now some of these I believe I saw last year, but I did see a few new ones I hadn't seen before, so I wanted to show you all of them in case you missed it. Great for giving us gifts and stocking stuffers for that special crafter in your life. So don't forget to swing by that craft section to check all these fun cross-stitch type of crafts out. Now I went over to the hardware section and look what I spotted. These little containers that open up like this. These are so awesome. Now I wanted to feature these because not only are they used in the tool section, they can be used for crafts. Now they interconnect because they have slides on the sides. You can use them in the craft section, in the kitchen for tea bags, screws for your tools, all kinds of options, and you can buy as many as you want. Now, over in the home decor section, look at these signs. Such high quality. Look at that. It's framed with like galvanized metal, and it has the Home Sweet Home logo on the top. Really heavy, really great quality item for only $1.25. These baskets are a new arrival at my Dollar Tree, and I've seen these oval baskets before, but I have never seen them with little handles like this. So this is a new arrival at the Dollar Tree. I love it. It has that gold interweaved in there, perfect for the holidays. And if you're looking for a new storage collection, it just hit the shelves at my Dollar Tree. This one is back. It was so popular last year. The colors are back. So here is the shoe box, and they all come with lids. They also have our fun little baskets. These are the rectangular baskets in all of those fun colors. They also have this one. So this one is a round basket with little handles on it, and it also has this locker bin style basket. If you more like a rectangle baskets for deep shelves, they did have those as well. I really like those. And then the oval baskets they have here with the little metal handles, those are also popular. Now at the bottom are the huge baskets. I love these because they are so large, and you can store so many different things in these. All of these are just $1.25, so make sure you check out the Dollar Tree for these. Now, I did walk down the aisle to see a stalker putting out all of these socks, and she was so sweet to let me go through the box to show you guys what's coming out on the shelves. So I wanted to kind of feature these for you guys just in case you are looking for them. They had the Pepsi, Forrest Gump, Pringles, Jelly Belly, so many different styles to stock up if you are adding to your collection. They also had some Angry Bird socks, and look, they even have some Snoopy socks. I love Snoopy. It's so nostalgic for me. So I was happy to see the little Snoopy socks available. And also right next to it, they had those Coca-Cola socks if you like Coca-Cola. I finally found the shoe charms. I have been missing out on these all summers. If you're looking for shoe charms, don't give up. They were on an end cap on a little tack strip. Long last, in the health and beauty, I finally found the Brazilian Mist body wipes, and it was well worth the wait. They smell amazing, you guys. And as you know, they do go fast. Another thing in health and beauty is this oil. So they have this hydrating body oil. You can get the clear hydrating body oil, or you can get the one that it has a slight glow to it. So they did have two of those to choose from. This is another item I picked up. So this is the nail polish corrector. I am not the best fingernail polish person. I can't color in the lines, you guys. So I definitely love this thing to have handy in case you have those little oopsies. Now they also have a new bronzer out. This is a bronzer drops. I've never seen this at my store before, but I wanted to feature it for you guys just in case you were looking for something like this. And of course, they have all of the health and beauty items fully stocked up, so be on the lookout for those. Now in the hair care, look, they have this little comb. And the great thing about it is it has a little compartment at the bottom where you can stick in some bobby pins. I love that. So convenient. And look at these hair accessories by Nicole Miller, another name brand item at the Dollar Tree. You guys, these are really great quality. I was really impressed. If you have that teen, tween, or girl, these you want to grab and just add them as stocking stuffers or as little gifts, because the quality is A1 on these. And look at this one. This one has a whopping 11 pieces included. So these do stand out among the other Dollar Tree hair accessories. So they should be easy to spot if your Dollar Tree has them. Now this last one I saw has a little headband with a couple of different accessories with it. That is just too cute. Another Nicole Miller item in the hair care section. Check out these soaps. Now, this is something I've never seen before. First of all, it's unusual to find a 4-pack of bar soap at the Dollar Tree, but I've never seen this very soft brand. I did see 2 of them at first in this basket. And if you're just on a budget and need some soap just to carry you by, this would be great. They also had another one. So I saw 3 different scents of this soap. If you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments. If you love the smell good, they did have a new air freshener. This is Nordic Air Spray Air Freshener, a brand new arrival at my Dollar Tree. Just look for it in the bright blue bottle in the air freshener section. They have new wipes. Now, we've seen the Glass Plus, but I have never seen the Stainless Plus wipes. That's a new item in a 160 wipe package. And then right next to it, they have furniture wipes. That's another new one I haven't seen. So be on the lookout at your stores for these new wipe selections. This duster 3-pack kit is very handy. This not only can be used for dusting, but you can use the duster actually for like faux snow for winter crafts. But I wanted to let you know they did sell these in a 3-pack at the Dollar Tree. Now this was so amazing to me because with my crazy back issues, I have been looking for a scrubber you can hook to a broomstick, and lo and behold, Dollar Tree came through. So this is a brush that you could screw onto a broomstick. No more of this handheld brusher for me, in the garbage. I'm getting one of these that you can screw onto a broomstick. So handy. Now, the breast cancer awareness things are starting to show up at the Dollar Tree, but someone rated this one before I got to it, but I wanted to show what I did find. This 10-pack of pins is a really great deal, and also they have the little puff pins. It has the breast cancer awareness ribbon on there and a pin at the end. I did find those, so there should be more coming out over the next few weeks. They also have this 3-pack of breast cancer awareness little cups. These are great for like the little coffee cups. If you're looking to put together a gift basket or something, you can put things in the cups and give them away. Such a great idea. And then they have, of course, the peel and stick breast cancer ribbon that looks like little gems. And this comes in a 12-pack, so check out those. Up by the register, I saw these sunglass cases. Look at this. This is so nice. They look so high end, but yet not so much, but still quite impressive with the colors and the gold beading. And if you love the liquid death drinks, I wanted to let you know Severed Lime just showed up, so be on the lookout for that. Now, I just had to take a walk down the Christmas wall because it is fully stocked and there's a few new items I wanted to share with you guys that I hadn't seen before. So the first thing was this bulb. I hadn't seen this before, but this is a clear bulb and one side is open. It's got a deer and a tree inside and it has gold little accents. I think that is so cute. Now, if you wanted everything glitter, they had the same thing with glitter on the deer and on the tree. So I think that I love that they have the option of both different styles. The 2 packs of bulbs are back as well, and this one is a clear plastic bulb with gold accents. And I love that they are a 2-pack, so it's convenient for the $125 price. Now, besides gold, they did have it in red. They also have it in white that has a light gold trim for a little elegant look, and you can get the classic combination of gold with red trim, all sold in a 2-pack. These are new to me. These silver bulbs rounded with like the silver beading, also sold in a 2-pack. I think those are pretty. Another option was the gold bulb with silver beading. And I like that it has different size beads on there for a little accent. You can go with white and silver as well. So be on the lookout for these new Dollar Tree ornament items. And of course, the Christmas wall is coming together with all the beautiful florals with the poinsettias and the pine cones. Everything that gets you into the holiday crafting spirit. So I am here for it. Be on the lookout for that. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few things I wanted to share with you guys. And the first thing I saw was this plant. So this is a heavy ceramic plant. It's got stones inside and lots of faux, the little succulents inside and trimmed off with a metal band. I have never seen this before. And this was in the $5 area. So be on the lookout if you want something like this. Another item was this. So this is a bright light, a super bright light that has 3 panels and it's foldable. I've never seen this. So this would be great for small spaces. And this one is 840 lumens. So it'd be great to light up like a small space. So that would be great for $5. Now, if you did want something a little larger, they have this super bright light here. Now this one has 1600 lumens, but and it lights up a larger space. Now, I love these because both of these are low power consumption. I'm all about saving on my energy bill. So definitely check these out if you're looking for a different option. Now, if you didn't know, all of the Meyers cleaning products that are like $5 in the plus section are all ringing up $1.25. So be on the lookout. They may be unmarked in your store like in mine. And then I finally found another costume. This is a dress-up burger costume. This is the only one I hadn't seen, but I did want to share this with you guys. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, a few videos back, I featured these Halloween ceramic lighted trees that come in 3 different styles from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up these 2 options for a giveaway. Now, I will be giving away one of these trees in your choice of a ghost or a jack-o'-lantern theme to one lucky winner. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. Just leave a comment below answering this question. What is your favorite and least favorite candy or sweet treat? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, September 24th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, since some of the winners of my past drawings have never claimed their prizes, I will draw 3 finalists, and then the first to respond and confirm your entry will win the prize. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, September 25th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I'll also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a candy emoji or the word candy in the comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest today. Listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.